I think technology lets us solve a wide variety of problems that patients have. And today, specifically to implants, I place implants on patients in areas that years ago dentists just weren't placing the implants there. But now with new technology, I do it routinely. For example, I routinely place implants into people's sinuses, and you think, boy, isn't that a place you're supposed to stay out of? Well, we used to, but now, I have special training, and we go and we do a bone graft in that area. We can put several more millimeters of bone around the implant, and I tell people when you're doing an implant, it's like you want a really long post and a lot of concrete. So nowadays we can anchor them, and it's good to know that, boy, when I put it in there, they're gonna have it for years and years.